Hey Cosmic Crypto Explorers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the cosmic abyss of crypto, where fortunes are made, stars collide, and sometimes black holes appear. Buckle up, because we're exposing the shady side of the galaxy. We're talking about pump and dump schemes, those sneaky maneuvers that can leave your crypto dreams scattered across the cosmos. Get ready to become a cosmic detective, because we're about to expose the telltale signs of a pump and dump in action. By the end of this video, you'll be a master of the cryptoverse, dodging scams like a pro. Picture this: you wake up, check your portfolio, and boom, your favorite altcoin has skyrocketed. You're over the moon, right? Maybe you should be, but maybe, just maybe, it's a bit too good to be true. It's like finding a $100 bill on the sidewalk. Your first thought shouldn't be to spend it. It should be to figure out how it got there. When a coin's price skyrockets out of nowhere, be suspicious. It's like a rocket fueled by hype, and we all know what happens when hype runs out. That rocket comes crashing back down to earth. Think about it. Dogecoin? Anyone? So, before you start planning your trip to the moon, take a breath. Research the reason behind the spike. Is it organic growth driven by real-world adoption, new partnerships, or groundbreaking technology? Or is it orchestrated chaos? A bunch of people buying in just to pump up the price. Check reliable news sources, official announcements, and project updates. Don't just rely on what you see on Twitter or Telegram. Remember, in the cryptosphere, not all that glitters is gold. Sometimes it's just a cosmic dust bunny. Social media, the cosmic grapevine of the cryptoverse. It's where news spreads faster than light, and rumors can make or break a coin. But beware, my friends, for social media is also a breeding ground for shady whispers and cosmic echoes designed to lure you into a trap. If your favorite crypto influencer suddenly starts raving about a little-known coin, proceed with caution. They might be riding the pump wave, hoping to make a quick buck by getting you to buy in. And let's be real, some of these influencers are more concerned with their follower count than your financial well-being. Don't get me wrong, there are some great crypto influencers out there who provide valuable insights and analysis. But it's crucial to verify information independently. Don't blindly follow cosmic whispers. Look for credible sources, community discussions, and independent research. Remember, in the vast expanse of the internet, anyone can be an expert. But true knowledge comes from digging deeper, questioning everything, and forming your own opinions. Don't let someone else tell you what to think, especially when it comes to your hard-earned money. Imagine this: you're sailing through the cosmos, your spaceship loaded with a treasure chest of crypto. Suddenly, you stumble upon a remote, uncharted star system. It's teeming with exotic-looking coins, and their prices are unbelievably low. You think you've struck gold, but there's a catch. This star system is a cosmic backwater with barely any other spaceships around. That, my friends, is what it's like to trade in a low-liquidity pool. It's like swimming in quicksand, easy to get in, but nearly impossible to get out. See, liquidity refers to how easily you can buy or sell a coin. without significantly affecting its price. Coins with low trading volume are extremely susceptible to manipulation. It's like a tiny pond. Even a small pebble can create huge ripples. A handful of manipulators can easily create artificial price spikes, making it seem like the coin is exploding in value. Then, when unsuspecting investors like you jump in, they pull the rug out from under you, leaving you stranded with a bunch of worthless tokens. So, how do you avoid these cosmic black holes of liquidity? Stick to well-established exchanges with high trading volumes. Think of these as bustling spaceports with constant traffic. It's much harder for manipulators to influence prices in these crowded markets. Who's behind the cosmic curtain, pulling the levers and pushing the buttons of your favorite crypto project? Are they seasoned space explorers with a proven track record? Or are they shadowy figures lurking in the depths of the internet, their true identities shrouded in mystery? In the world of crypto, transparency is key. If the project team is like a ghost, no faces, no bios, no LinkedIn profiles, beware. They might vanish after the pump, leaving you stardust stranded with a bag full of worthless tokens. Think about it. Would you trust your life savings to a spaceship piloted by anonymous figures in ski masks? Probably not. The same goes for your crypto investments. You need to know who's at the helm, what their experience is, and what their long-term vision for the project is. So before you hit that buy button, do your due diligence. Investigate the team members. LinkedIn, stalk them in a friendly way, of course. Check their backgrounds, their experience, and their reputations. A legitimate team will have nothing to hide. Ever stumbled upon a Telegram group promising astronomical gains, guaranteed riches, and a one-way ticket to the moon? They lure you in with promises of insider information, secret strategies, and exclusive access to the next big pump. But beware, my friends, for these are the siren songs of cosmic cartels, and they're designed to lead you astray. These groups operate like well-oiled machines, orchestrating pumps like cosmic maestros. They choose a target coin, usually one with low liquidity, and then coordinate a massive buying frenzy. The price skyrockets, attracting unsuspecting investors who get caught up in the hype. Then, just when the price peaks, the cartel members dump their holdings, leaving everyone else holding the bag. The worst part? These groups often create an illusion of community, making you feel like you're part of something special. They use fake testimonials, manufactured excitement, and peer pressure to convince you to join their cosmic cabal. But remember, there's no we in pump and dump. It's all about them making money at your expense. So, what's the best way to avoid these cosmic traps? Stay away from groups that promise unrealistic returns or rely on hype and manipulation. Focus on long-term fundamentals, solid projects with real-world utility, and experienced teams with a proven track record. That's a wrap. Fellow Stardust traders, if you spot a pump, don't panic. Just adjust your trajectory. By arming yourself with knowledge and a healthy dose of skepticism, you can navigate this exciting frontier with confidence. If this video helped you dodge cosmic scams, hit that like button, subscribe, and join our cosmic crew. Until next time, keep shining, my interstellar friends.